Hi everyone, welcome to Bulunmaz YouTube channel. Ufuk, our greatest advanced technician, wanted to make a little surprise for me. It's not little, it's a big surprise.
Yeah, very big surprise.
We have a big surprise. Come on, what kind of surprise you have for me?
Don't
Please,
worry, my friend,
please,
don't worry.
tell me everything.
Let's take it up first.
I'm come. Okay,
But
come.
I can do something quick.
Will you tell me what is your surprise, my friend?
I can do something. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is your captain speaking. Today, we're gonna fly from Istanbul to Bulunmaz.
Come on, Ufuk, this is a car. No,
Wait.
you. We are driving toward south about 150 kilometers. We're gonna see what kind of a surprise Ufuk'la have.
Aviation.
Aviation. Not a
Can you
drone.
predict? Yes. Aircraft. But
We're gonna fly drone.
Air Force.
Air Force.
F,
Fighter jet.
F-16.
The surprise is getting excited. He's taking me all among these airplanes. I'm gonna fly first time in my life with such a plane.
Yes.
Such a small, tiny. Ufuk is our one of best. No, he's the best technician. He's
I am also best pilot.
best guy in the world. He's learning how to fly, and today he wanted to make his surprise to me to take me on one of these flights. It's great experience for me. It's first time in my life with such flights. Soon we're gonna be on the sky. See you there. I hope you will enjoy this flight and
See you in the sky.
see you in the next flight. No.
No. See you on the sky.
I hope you will enjoy great views of Turkey, of Bursa city, and the flight with Ufuk. Yeah. We are about to take off, almost ready, but I'm safe, don't worry, I'm with the teacher and he's pretty good, pretty experienced. Thank you. So, everything completed, we can go.
Yes, we are about to take off, and so we will have this great experience with Jamal. It will be amazing.
Yeah, we are just waiting for this guy to go. And we are almost there. We are on the sky, we are flying about Bursa, that's a little bit western city of Turkey, that's pretty popular and famous and historic. just landed back to the ground. We are safe. First flight is successfully done. I was, to be honest, I was 50-50.
He was great. He is absolutely has talent about flying.
Ufuk told me, don't worry, every airplane lands somehow. I was a bit nervous. But
Yes.
well, I trust a lot the history of aviation, that's why.
They just need a little music. Hey, you're looking, what you got cooking? Need another beat for all these lonely people.
We are back to the ground. How did you like it?
Today I had an amazing
How did you like
experience.
it? What kind of experience?
Aviation experience.
Ufuk is the guy of experiences. We had a great experience with Phoenix Aviation. I will put the link on Instagram. You can follow. That's a brand new, pretty successful aviation school in Bursa, not so far from Istanbul.
Thank you for everything, Phoenix Aviation.
We use Aquila airplanes with Phoenix Aviation. These are made in Germany, but one Turkish investor owns the company. That's pretty cool also. They are bringing all these Aquilas to give training. They are brand new planes. So you can always come here, get your lessons. You can apply for PPL or other licenses. Thank you. Dankeschön.
Dankeschön.
Phoenix Aviation, follow.
Follow.
Need another beat for all these lonely people. They don't
How many meters did you go up?
6,500.
6,500.
Yes.
Sen
But
6,500.
did you forget?
120 degree is 6,500 feet.
Yes.
If you don't know this, you crash.
Incredible
But we never
experience.
crash because we are the best technicians.
Yes, you are
No.
you are the best pilot. Also, you are
We are the best
boss.
pilot in the world.
We are the pilot. We are the pilot.
This is the camera guy. He's enjoying life. We are taking the camera.
He is the best camera guys.
But he doesn't have camera. Camera we didn't buy. Right. Almadık hala. Doğru.
Now we are in the Bursa Yenişehir Airport. It's very good place. Very hot.
All day,
Very
all
hot,
night we
yes.
fly.
Today is very hot. I am a plane. I am a plane now.
Now we will fly with Renault Clio. This is the problem. We can also fly with this car.
This is Optimus Prime.
This is Bulunmaz car, orange.
We will try to fly.
Pren. Pren, 3 cylinder.
We will try to fly
But
our
benzin motor, no
orange
diesel.
car.
We will fly with the orange car.
This, as you can see, this is the wings.
Wings. 4 wings.
Yes, 4 wings.
This small airplane has 2 wings.
Our-
This one has 4 wings.
Our car has 4 wings.
Like fighter jet.
We will try to fly.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe.
If you subscribe our YouTube channel, you can fly with us.
Of course.
And you can have a lot of business. And a lot of gold.
If you will want to buy CNC machine, for example, Dangle Master, you can fly it with us.